Assalam o Alaikum. Welcome to my ELVO Education channel. Story: The Old Farmer and His Sons. Long ago, in a peaceful village, there lived an old farmer. He had worked hard all his life, growing crops, tending animals, and raising his 3 sons. The farmer was wise and kind, but as he grew older, one thing worried him deeply: his sons were always quarreling. They fought over small things. 1. Who should plow the field? 2. Who should fetch water? 3. Who should sell the harvest in the market? The farmer often told them, "My children, fighting will only bring you weakness. If you live in unity, no one will be able to harm you." But the sons ignored his advice. Herb the farmer's plan. One day, the farmer became very sick. He knew his end was near, but before dying, he wanted his sons to understand the importance of unity. He called his sons and said, "My dear children, I want to teach you a lesson that will guide you even after I am gone." He asked him to bring a bundle of sticks. When they did, he tied the sticks together with a rope and handed the bundle to his eldest son. "Try to break this," the farmer said. The eldest son used all his strength, but the bundle would not break. The second son tried, then the youngest son, but no one succeeded. The sticks held firm. Rice plant: the real lesson. The farmer then untied the bundle and gave each son a single stick. "Now break them," he said. Each son easily snapped the stick into 2 pieces. The old farmer smiled and said, "My sons, do you see the truth now? When the sticks were tied together, none of you could break them. But when separated, they were weak and useless. It is the same with you. If you remain united like the bundle, no one can defeat you. But if you keep fighting and live apart, anyone can break you easily." The change. The sons finally understood their father's wisdom. They felt ashamed of their foolish quarrels. Tears filled their eyes, and they promised, "Father, from this day, we will live together, work together, and never let anyone divide us." The farmer felt at peace hearing their words. A few days later, he passed away, but his lesson remained alive in his sons' hearts. From then on, they worked in unity, managed their farm successfully, and lived happily. Moral of the story: unity is strength. When we stand together, we are strong. When we are divided, we are weak. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.